Grabe ang ulan. Mag-hiking ni mag-ulan. So, we're gonna hike, guys. Look at the... It's raining so hard.
Na-extend naman ni
Kani?
Getting ready. Di, sige lang. Kasali ka sa akong vlog. Si Manong amon habal-habal driver.
Anong taga-Tboli?
Taga Tboli.
Tikitin mo driver.
Ah, amo ng language nyo?
Tikitin mo
My gosh, na-stranded ang 10-wheeler. Matrasan pa. San, look at here, San. Hindi lang, sige. Kailan nila asang daagsan? San, look at basta drivers with lover. Nakabutig kami. Ay, nakalingkawas. Basta drivers with lover. Gihimot nga bumper.
Ang dalan din vlog.
Nami dress ako. After sa katong mga binagdo. Namurag mamatay na jud mi.
Ang dalan na bidari ko ano siya amo gin pang-clear ng dalan.
Yeah.
Tapos ang dalan di isa magdanlo ng ulan.
Danlog may gani ulan karon.
Kaon sa dira pagkabura.
Hindi na sapat.
Dito.
Hindi na kami dito. Nauna pa kami.
Yes. This would be the... So, yung pangalan ni mo, ma'am?
Jinjin pa.
Okay.
Amos na ikaw na.
Mami, ikaw, you send for me kasi I will carry your bag.
Really? No.
Magpa, pick up na lang po po dari ang.
Grabe yung reaction dahil sa sana.
Direct lang po. Bahay kayo ba? Welcome po.
Grabe ang ulan. Mag-hiking ni mag-ulan. So, we're gonna hike, guys. Look at the... It's raining so hard. So, I don't know if you can see the view of the lake because it's raining. If you can see, I'm getting wet. But what are you gonna do? We're scheduled to do this. So, here you go. Let's watch out. Gutom saan? A-quarter namon.
Mami tayo dito po.
Bake lang siya. Rain, rain, go away. Sama sing kaya pa. Kaya kaya pa. And the hike has started. So much rain. Oh my gosh. Diba? Station 2. Munang itsura sa. This is how Station 2 looks like. Kuna ano pa? Kaya pa? Kaya pa. Ayan na, ayan na. Inana siya ka-steep. But it's a beautiful trail. It's difficult. Ngayon na lang may stick. Narubin Padilla na gudi ang ano.
Rubin Padilla ng kalo.
Para ka na da! My guide. Our guide is way up there. Or Station 3.
3 kilometers.
Ilan na lang kilometers, Len?
4.
4. That's our guide.
So, pataas na dito rin.
Abot na gid mi sa Station 3.
Yung nasa yung pagkataas, ah?
Oh my gosh, look, I'm soaked.
Ha?
I'm so soaked. you
Gamay,
guys.
gamay. Lali,
raining
hindi mo
so
gamay
hard.
lang ito ni Agi.
Nireklamo na tayo na kumanghod.
Wala na, gamay soba.
Langit na! Langit na! Video ni. Tagam lang siya, aram ng guide. Lapit na sa view deck.
Ano? Amo na gini
Aba, nami nga bulak, oh.
Amo na gini pinakataas, no?
Tapos pababa na dayon pa.
Pababa na dayon.
Muna sa kaon na muna.
Eh, makaya pa naman.
Jeez, kaya pa ba?
Kaya na.
Sa kilid naman, di ba? Sa kilid ng agi.
Hindi, dalawa warang na.
Kaya pa! Gamay na lang. Ilan lang kilometro. Sa steep na kami makahano. Yun lang. Tapos inom tubig.
12:57. Long na bato ka lang.
Wala na. Cancel ang lunch. Supposedly 12 o'clock. Kaya lang
Dili na una.
naulan. Tara, video to mo. View deck daw dito. To the view deck. Look out!
Te, picture ko, te. Picture lang.
Picture lang. Oh my gosh. Dool na lang. Lapit na. We're getting closer. Yes! We made it. We made it to the view deck.
Una ka, sir? Una ka?
So, we are approaching the view deck. Thank God it cleared up. Okay. Earlier, when we were at the bottom, it was so cloudy and it was pouring rain. But now, we got here. It's so, there's still clouds, but clearer than earlier. Tara na, view deck na! Oh my gosh.
Sige na, magpa-picture na ta kay Karun.
So beautiful. Oh my God.
In a few minutes,
Amo ni Lake Holon.
mawala na na.
Yeah, dali ka na.
Uy, uy.
Naka-video ka. Naka-video.
Sige na, ano siya yung more intense. Lake Holon, beautiful. So in less than 10 minutes, the clouds covered the view of the lake. That's why we had to take photo faster, because a few moments later, there goes the lake covered with the clouds and the view is gone. Late na ka mo. Ay, mo gani. Pababa na siya. Careful. It's so steep, you guys. So steepy. What are we gonna do? And the rain has stopped. Grabe ang ano. Umuulan na naman siya. My gosh, look at that. It's raining so hard. It's pouring now. And just in time that We are going down to the campsite. So, So, yeah. Pababa. By that time, mahumantaan ka ng hiking, nangubal natin yun. Kubalan na. Tindata dira. Saging ka dira, tag-jis-jis lang.
Sideline?
Sideline diri, kapoy. Kapoy man.
Mga Pilipino mag-parker sa nila.
Wow.
Ang hulo ng crater.
Oh, so volcanic.
Ang ganda sa mo ni mahuman mo.
Oh my gosh, you guys! We're at Lake Holon!
Yeah, where is
Yay! Finally! It was a difficult trail. Water. Ano mi diri sa campsite? This is the campsite, you guys. It's a small camp. Here you go. Andara, lutuanan, cooking area. So, and this is where our food is. So this campsite is really small, underdeveloped. Of course, it's a remote place. So, yung tent nila is 300 pesos you can rent for the whole trip.
Tapon, naunap na sila.
Grabe yung sa kaanay. Busy mo, no?
Napasaka ko lang sila kung ano. Tapon, naunap na sila.
Grabe yung sa kaanay, no?
Pangitag.
So, 30 minutes
Hindi dito sa hotel.
30 minutes magsagwan?
Oh, ito.
Tapos pabalik to another 30 minutes.
1 minute.
Okay.
Sa kaurak.
Ah, nakailis na na? Ilis ka na? Ilis na na? Ah.
No, it's not okay. Palagi pa mo, atos na kanya.
Ano yung mga ranges, ma'am? Kaya sila 15 ranges nga nag-protect sa ha? Dito sa
Ilis na po. So just woke up early in the morning. It's around 5 o'clock right now and the sun is up already. But it's a beautiful sunrise. And now I'm just gonna walk around. And hikers, just make sure you bring lots of cash kasi lahat ng bagay dito nirerentahan. Just like the tent is 300 pesos, yung papag na pinapatungan ng tent, another 100 pesos, at saka yung shed ng tent, another 100 pesos. So, kabuhayan ng mga tao, so we'll just cooperate. And also, please make sure you take your garbage with you. We need to take care of this beautiful place, you guys, and let's not pollute this. So yeah, look at this beautiful, crystal clear, serene Lake Holon. What's the problem? What's the problem, baby? Din ka mangihisan. Video gid ba? Taas-taas ang ihian. So kailangan
Malong is life.
kailangan hindi kanay pala kahihion bago ka magsaka.
Ay, kita mo good day galito? Sexy pa naman ako sa budol.
May kaon.
Sige ka po na.
Silang gihapon. Smile for the camera.
Pawala na kapoy.
It took us 1 hour to get to this spot. This spot is beautiful. And yeah, so tapos na. Malapit na kami. It was a very tumultuous, roller coaster trail. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of experience. And it's worth. Hi, Sarah! Sige na, agi na. Lakad na. Sige na, agi na. Agi na, Sarah.
Layo pa sila?
Amon porter. That's our porter. Gawas na! Ano na, pa-survive na gid. The end of the trail, amon ni may tindahan na rin. Store, there's little goodies. Survive! We're at the end of our trail. Pila ka ito ka oras gani dong? Ay pila ka kilometro? Pila ka oras? 1 hour and 30 minutes na? Yeah. 1 hour and 30 minutes we hiked all the way from Lake Holon back to the civilization. There it is.